It started as just another day on an Iceland road trip, visiting the waterfall, when our day was turned upside down. Great, so my stupid friend crashed the drone, and now we have to go save it. Activating now the Find My Drone beeping and flashing, which should help us find it. Can you hear that? We could hear but not see the drone. We looked again at the crash footage and realized the drone must be on the ledge, somewhere in this area. So we had to climb back out of the ravine. That was to get to the other side of the ravine. And now we're gonna try and climb down from the cliff top to the ledge where the drone crashed. Hope it works. We are getting closer to the ledge. That's the basin we were at down earlier. Now where is it? That's it, that's the ledge. That's where it is. We just have to go down now and get it. Easier said than done, but we're gonna do it. I first lowered myself down the ledge, but then a problem. That point over here with the ice on it, it's like, that ice is so slippery. I'm alive. So it's done. That was absolutely terrifying. Probably not worth it. It does make you feel so alive when you go through something like that, because you come out of it and you just appreciate the fact that you're breathing, you're standing, you're here. For my survival?
For your survival and for your stupidity.
Okay.